What's up, guys? Here in Knoxville, Tennessee, we're at a local brewery house right behind me, right here. Bam! It's built like a little castle. It looks pretty cool. You guys a tour. See you guys in a bit. It's a German brewery, shaped like a castle. Looks pretty cool. It has German food, pretzels, of course, pizza, sausages, beer. Great decoration. Pretty cool. Bar. It's outdoors. How's it going?
Schnitzels.
Ooh.
That's for your pizza. So I'm
Alright.
gonna pretty much cut this one up and we'll put it on top of the pizza once I toss it.
Alright, cool. So it's just pork and flour?
It's what we do is we pound the pork flat, then it gets flour, breadcrumbs, and then panko breadcrumbs. And we cook
Okay.
it in butter so it's nice and crispy and lots of flavor.
Is there any other seasoning besides the
We
flour and
put
breadcrumbs?
salt, pepper, and garlic in the flour to give it a little bit of
Okay,
extra flavor to
sweet. Yeah, it looks good.
it. Right?
Awesome. The outdoor bar. Pretty cool. Fireplace. Outdoor restaurant. Cute puppy. What's up, puppy? What's up, little puppy? Hey. Cool place. Nice, beautiful day out today. About 65, 70 degrees. Great day for a beer. Just got a pint of their black lager. About $5.50 for a 16 ounce pour. This one is. Still waiting on our pizza. Cool little atmosphere. Beautiful day. It rained a little bit yesterday, so today is bright but a little bit chilly. About 60 degrees, but a little bit chilly. It's a good sweater day. Our little buddy here, just chilling. Cool little atmosphere. Nice. Buzz, 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 buzz. Food is ready.
What kind of wood do we use again? Hickory. We use hickory for the pizzas.
Oh, sweet. So it's a wood oven.
Yep, wood fire. It's all wood though. That's the only reason it warms up.
Beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate it. Our pizza, and Riley's excited. You excited, buddy? It smells so good. Riley can't resist. Bang. You excited, buddy? It smells good, huh? Yeah? Yeah. I'm gonna try a piece of this. Plain. This is the breaded pork chop. We saw them grill earlier. Tender. You told me that was chicken. I couldn't tell the difference. Ooh. So it's mozzarella, mushrooms. There's a special mushroom sauce, red onions. And I think that's it. Beautiful crust. Beautiful crust. Cheesy, melty. Let's keep our little buddy here a little bit. Here, buddy. How is it? Yeah, that's good. She walked 2 miles today. She deserved it. Let's try this. Woo. Crust is delicious. Crispy. A little white sauce. It tastes like a white sauce with creamy mushroom. A pizza crust. It's not bad. Nice crust there. Smells very buttery, cheesy. It's not bad. Not too salty. It's pretty good. It's pretty buttery, but wash it down with some beer. Pretty good. How is it, Betty? It's a bat dog. Bat dog. Half bat, half dog. Just got a little bit of the brown gravy and sauerkraut. So usually when people order this pork chop thing by itself, it comes with a side of gravy. So I'm gonna try it with the gravy, see how it tastes. Ooh. It smells really garlicky. Good. Like the chicken fried steak. Really tender though. It's really good. A little bit of their sauerkraut. It's not bad. It's not bad. The pizza is good, but I think it's better without the pork chop. Because the pizza is very crispy and the pork chop is crispy too, so I think it's overly crispy, but they're really good by themselves. Took off the oh, sorry, Betty. Rather dessert for meal today. Walked 2 miles. Not bad. So we went down the road from that German beer place we were at, and there's I suppose it's an old gas station turned into a food truck slash beer place. You guys check it out. It's called Central Filling Station, Knoxville, Tennessee. So here's where all the food truck would park. Today it looks like they only have one food truck today. So this is where the filling station name came from. I suppose this used to be an old gas station or filling station. Now it's turned to a outdoor food truck beer place over there. A beer company in Johnson City called Yeehaw. I was told that they own this place, so it looks pretty cool. So over there is a little booth that you can buy some beer off of, and some nights to have karaoke, some nights that have bingo night, just whatever. Pretty cool spot. Central Filling Station. Just go check it out. Got some TV screens, portable parties. Looks like more food trucks are coming in. Got this IPA. Let's try it out. Oof, the sun is up now. Nice. Very fruity flavor. So it looks like there are about 4 to 5 food trucks today. They start rolling in right after I came here. Pretty cool. Little fireplace. Pretty cool. Heck yeah. Nice. People are start coming now. Pretty cool. Come on, Riley, let's go, buddy.